So this is an example on how to calculate your sales, future sales. This is your sales forecasting example. I'm going to work through it for you. So you've got the information that you've got the sales from last year of 1.3 million. You've got the sales from 2 years ago, 1.550 million. And you also know from the data that you've gathered that the population is forecasted to increase by 0.5%. Your unemployment rate is forecasted to decrease. Your employment rate is by 3%, which means fewer people have jobs. And your new competitor is going to be moving into your market, and it's expected to take 5% of your company's sales. So you have to go through the gyration of several different calculations for this particular problem. The first thing you got to do is you got to figure out what the difference was in sales. So first off, you're going to take that 3 million and you're going to subtract the 1,550,000. And that's going to give you $250,000. So in other words, you lost $250,000 worth of sales that year, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take that 250, which is actually a negative 250, and you're going to take that 250 and you're going to divide it by that 1550000, which is going to give you a negative 0.16, or as we all know, because we moved that decimal point 2 places, is 16%. It's a negative 16%. So you decrease by 16%. So we're going to take this and we're going to start moving into other calculations for it. So you got the negative 16%, but up top, up here, you were told that the population is going to grow, which means there's going to be more of a market. So you're going to take this and you're going to add it to this. You're going to add that 0.5%, and now you're going to have a negative 15.5%, right? Now you're going to take this a step farther, and you're going to add some more of the information that you had up here. So you're going to take that negative 15.5%, and you're going to subtract the 3% because you're going to have fewer people that have jobs, which means your buying power is going to decrease, right? You also have this information up here that the competitor's moving in and he's going to take 5% of your business. So you're also going to have to take away that 5% to leave you with a negative 23.5% projection for your sales. Not good, I will tell you right now. So you're focused to lose a lot of sales. So what you're going to take is you're going to take this past year's, and you're going to take that 1.3, and you're going to multiply it by that negative 23.5%, sorry. And that is going to give you 305,500. So what you're going to do, because you know this is a decrease, because remember we had this negative right here, your last step is to take last year's sales and you're going to subtract that 305,500 from it, because this was a decrease in your projected sales, which means next year's sales are going to be 994,500. That's all you're going to make next year. And that's how you do sales forecasting. Thanks.